What's up, guys? It's your boy RJ, and today it's finally here. The Panasonic Lumix. The Panasonic Lumix G7. It's finally here, right here in my grasp. My main camera now. I don't gotta use this camera no more. No offense to Sony, but it's time to switch. But where I even begin? Oh yeah, enjoy this small footage of me unboxing this with some holiday music because 'tis the season. Wow. Alright guys, so right here you'll see that we have the Panasonic Lumix G7 right here at the body, the lens, hood, and we have the strap right here for the camera itself. This is honestly crazy. Here are the lens. If you guys aren't familiar with this, these are micro 3/3 lens with the lens hood. Then you have to take this end piece off of the lens right there. That is mighty clear. And now for the back, protecting the lens before connecting to the camera. Keep these pins secured and safe. And now, here we go. This is crazy.